Hi, you guys. I know you know what time it is. Boxycharm just got delivered to my doorstep and we're about to try all the products. First, we're gonna moisturize because she's a dry girl. We're gonna take this Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm by Earth Harbor. Ooh, she smells really nice. My skin looks incredible. I did not expect that. I just finished my foundation and now we're gonna go in with the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. I came with this little guide for like how to contour your face. I don't know if I'm doing this right. We're gonna blend this out. I'll be right back. Okay, honest review. I feel like a new woman. So I just applied my powder products and now we're gonna go in with the Wanderess Escape Eyeshadow Palette by Wander Beauty. Look how gorgeous these colors are, guys. This is the shade Overnight. We're just gonna go ahead and pack this into the outer corner. We're just gonna blend that out with the shade Sunkissed. And now I'm taking the shimmer Daydream. Oh my gosh. I just applied this beautiful like blue shimmer color called Sea Glass right in here and then put Moonlit right in the inner corner. Also use Moonlit to highlight the brow bone. I'm actually using the same two gold shimmers that I used on my eyes to highlight as well because there's no rules. I just did my eyebrows and my liner and now we are going to apply the Fully Charged Mascara by Pure. It's powered by magnetic technology. Ooh. It's supposed to make your lashes longer, thicker, stronger. Immediately, I love the wand. I also love what it's doing to my lashes. I also received the Dragun Beauty Lip Job Liner from Miss Nikita Dragun herself. Little sharpener included. So I just put some gloss over the lip liner and then applied some lashes. And this is the final look, guys. I'm obsessed. As you guys probably know, I've used Boxycharm for years. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly beauty box membership. They deliver right to your door with free shipping. I don't know one person who doesn't love free shipping. They even have this fun little beauty quiz that you can take that'll kind of customize and tailor your entire box to you and like your preferences. I also don't know anyone who doesn't like fun little quizzes. Anyways, click the link in my bio, try out Boxycharm for yourself, and let me know what products you get in your box.